In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a portfolio website using Carrd. We'll start right from the beginning, so even if you're new to Carrd, you'll be able to follow along. First, log into your Carrd account. Once you're on your dashboard, look up to the top right corner of the screen and click on New Site. This will open a page where you can see all the different templates Carrd offers. Now, Carrd does let you start completely from scratch using a blank page, which you'll find at the top right of the template screen. But to make things faster and easier, we're going to use one of the ready-made templates. At the top of the page, you'll see tabs for different categories. Click on the tab labeled Portfolio. This filters the selection to designs that are specifically suited for showcasing your work. Browse through the templates and hover your cursor over one that catches your eye. When you find a design that feels close to what you want, click Select. Carrd will load this template into the editor for you to customize. Inside the editor, you'll notice that your template already has several elements on the page, things like text, images, buttons, and sections. Each of these can be adjusted to fit your style and content. To tweak something, simply click on that element. When you do, its settings will open in a panel on the side. At the top of this panel, you'll see several icons, each representing a different group of options. One icon controls the basic settings for the element, such as text content or image source. Another icon lets you adjust its appearance, like colors, fonts, and spacing. There's also an icon for animation, where you can make elements fade in or slide into view, and an advanced section for more detailed control. If there's an element in the template that you don't need, you can remove it. With that element selected, look to the bottom of its settings panel and click the trash icon. That will delete it from your page. To rearrange elements, click and drag them to a new position, then drop them where you want them to appear. If you'd like to add more to your portfolio, such as extra text blocks, images, or buttons, go to the top of the editor and click the plus icon. A drop-down menu will appear with a list of element types you can add. Choose the one you want, and Carrd will automatically place it at the bottom of your page. From there, just drag and drop it into position, and then fine-tune its settings in the side panel until it matches your design and content.